You don't need months to build a successful digital product business. You just need the right shortcut to start earning right away. That's exactly why I created a digital product business bundle with 5 high-quality, useful, and in-demand Google Sheets templates that you can resell as your own. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1, the monthly budget tracker. 2, the annual budget tracker. 3, the 12-month weight loss tracker. 4, the monthly habit tracker. And finally, the annual habit tracker. Each tracker comes in multiple color themes and includes step-by-step instructions in both video and PDF formats, not just for you, but also for your customers. But that's just one part of the bundle. Here's the rest of what's inside. 1, a marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2, a sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3, a packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4, an upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. This business bundle was built for anyone who wants to create passive income without building everything from scratch. Now let's talk money. If you sell each tracker individually for $10 to $15 or as a bundle for $30 to $70, you only need 3 to 5 sales to make your full investment back. And after that, it's all 100% profit. Because this is a digital product business, you only need to upload the files once and you can sell the templates again 1,000 times with zero extra costs. Now here's the thing. To protect value and avoid saturation, I'll only sell these in small batches. Once a batch sells out, I'll temporarily pause sales so early buyers can set up, start selling, and get a head start. So if you're watching this now, you're early. Click the link in my bio, grab your business bundle, and join the next cohort before doors close, or just comment "need" and I'll send the link straight to you.